This vehicle is a masterful blend of uncompromising sporting power and elegance that offers true spaciousness. Its long, athletic silhouette, which slopes towards the rear, creates an impression of swift movement even when standing still. Designed with a single goal to optimize aerodynamics and visually emphasize its dynamic potential. The four doors are so harmoniously integrated that they only underscore its uniqueness as a vehicle built for driving pleasure without limitations for passengers. This elegant solution maintains the low profile of a sporty coupe while ensuring easy access to the cabin. Even the smallest details, such as the design of the wheel rims, are developed to highlight the exclusive character and high performance. At its core is a V configuration engine tuned for maximum output. This is a true athlete capable of responding instantly to the slightest touch of the pedal, turning the road into a runway. The incredible power is accompanied by a deep and potent exhaust sound that can be customized. This symphony is the pure voice of engineering excellence. The gears shift lightning fast, ensuring a continuous flow of traction that immerses the driver in the genuine thrill of driving. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures that all this enormous power is efficiently transferred to the road surface. At the same time, the chassis and adaptive suspension are tuned to provide the driver with a perfect sense of control and connection to the road, regardless of speed or surface conditions. The car holds the corners confidently, demonstrating stability that seems impossible for such a large vehicle. The cabin is a space of luxury, crafted from the highest quality materials, from premium leather to carbon fiber and metallic accents. This is a realm of high technology where the driver's area